Look now at some of the top stories from around the world.
Russia carried out a major overnight attack on Ukraine in what President Vladimir Zelensky said Tuesday was a broken commitment to halt striking energy infrastructure as the country prepared for more talks in ending Moscow's 4-year-old full-scale invasion. The bombardment included hundreds of drones and a record 32 ballistic missiles, wounding at least 10 people. It specifically took aim at the power grid as part of what Ukraine says is Moscow's ongoing campaign to deny civilians light, heating and running water during the coldest winter in years. And Iran's president said Tuesday he instructed the country's foreign minister to pursue fair and equitable negotiations with the United States, the first clear sign from Tehran. It wants to try to negotiate as tensions remain high with Washington after the Middle East, the country's bloody crackdown on nationwide protests last month. The announcement marked a major turn for the reformist president and also signals that the president received support from Iran's supreme leader for talks the 86-year-old cleric previously had dismissed. Turkey had been working behind the scenes to make the talks happen there later this week as U.S. Middle East envoy Steve Witkoff is traveling in the region. And that was a look at some of the major stories from around the world. I'm Cameron White.
And the primetime news package continues with sports right after the break.
With Spencer Darlington. So that